Morning, grade five. I hope everyone's having a great day so far and you're ready to get started on our book club. So, by now, you should have read chapter 15, and I thought it was a very, very exciting chapter. So, let's get started. So, um, yesterday, or I guess on Sunday, we talked about how we are now in the climax phase of our story. So today we're going to look more in depth of that turning point of what happened in chapter 14. And then it's still the turning point right now that happened in chapter 15 as well. Okay. So just a recap on the chapter, we can see that yes, Aslan is resurrected. He did not officially die, and he is still there. So resurrected, that just means that he came back to life. So a few lessons ago, we talked about symbolism and allegory to Christianity. So this is another symbol in Christianity because Jesus in the Bible was resurrected because he sacrificed himself for the people. So very similar to what Aslan has done. He sacrificed himself even though he was innocent and did nothing wrong. Okay, so Aslan has been resurrected, and then Aslan, Lucy, and Susan all head to the castle. Okay, so that whole chapter was basically just about Aslan coming back, which is so exciting, and it is a huge turning point in this story. That's why it's part of the climax. So your assignment 1 today is I want you to analyze this turning point. So I want to see, and so do your teachers, we want to see what did you take away from what happened in chapter 15? What is your understanding of it? So for this first question here, how is the big revelation in this chapter a game changer for the story and the fate of the children in Narnia? Okay, so based on what happened, and game changer is just another word for turning point. Okay, how is this very important for what's about to happen next with Peter and Susan and Edmund and Lucy? You need to write your answer over here in this box. So then you're going to tell me, what does Aslan's big return mean? What do you think that means? What does it symbolize? And then the last question is, how does this event change the outlook of the story from what it was at the end of chapter 14. So at the end of chapter 14, we saw that Aslan was dead. But now we can see that he is not. He has been brought back to life. So how does that change the story from what we originally saw in chapter 14 to now in chapter 15? Because we know that it's a huge change, and that because it's a turning point, now it's going to change the rest of the story. Okay, so you're just going to answer and evaluate and analyze those 3 questions. And we are looking for a lot of details. We're looking for you to be a very strong thinker, okay, and to really dig into that chapter 15. And then your last assignment, as always, is your comprehension questions. Question number 1, what did Lucy and Susan do after Aslan's death? Who are the girls surprised to see? And then the third one, what is the most wonderful thing the girls do in Narnia? Okay, so make sure you get those questions answered. If you didn't do your assignment from Sunday, make sure you get those done as well. We'll be talking about those chapters this week and your book clubs on Thursday. Okay, that's all for now, boys and girls. Hope you have a great day, and make sure to get all of your assignments done and turned in on Google Classroom. Bye for now.